So an agenda is also called the order of the day. And here some students have made an agenda for the birthday party. Date, venue, time, invitees 20, refreshments, soft drinks, starters, 15 minutes, musical program and songs, musical chairs 30 minutes, passing the parcel 30 minutes, cake cutting 10 minutes, dance 45 minutes, dinner 9 p.m. So dinner from the moment it starts till the end is all included in the agenda. So what are the steps required? First of all, you have to write the sequence of the items. Ordered sequence of items to be discussed in a formal meeting is known as the agenda. The objective of an agenda includes to familiarize participants with the topics to be discussed. It means tell everybody what the meeting is going to be about, what the discussion is going to be about. Familiarize participants, letting them know what is going to happen. With what? With the topics to be discussed and issues to be raised. Number 2, indicate what prior knowledge would be expected from the participants. And tell each participant what is expected from them. For example, if they have to make a presentation, they have to come prepared for the presentation. Third is indicate what outcome the participants may expect from the meeting. And of course, what is expected from them and what they should be expecting from the management. So sample agenda of an office. Based on this, on the samples, you will have to make an agenda. The sample agenda, date, time, Wednesday, March 6. Location, Kendall Elementary School, Teachers Lounge. Attendees, Principal, Riddell. Secretary, Alina Flora. And President, Ellen Palpo, PTA Vice President, whatever. Pat fundraising chair, Marge Marks, various teachers and parents. It means attendees will be who is going to attend the meeting. Naturally, all these people will have to be handed over the agenda. Yes. इन सारे लोगों को क्या होगा बना करके देना पड़ेगा ताकि they will come to the meeting so that they come to the meeting well prepared. Objective. Now, objective or this is the subject. Discuss upcoming fundraiser to raise money for 5th grade extracurricular activities. Decide on fundraiser and assign roles, choose date. तो ये सब काम होना है मीटिंग में. All these things will be taken care of. Schedule 7:30 to 7:45. Welcome. 7:45 to 8:15. Discuss fundraiser ideas by Jenny Jacobi. 8:15 to 8:25. Discuss possible fundraiser date and decide on them. This is given to Ellen Falvo. 8:25 to 9. Vote on fundraiser idea and discuss details. Marge Marks. And 9 to 9:15. Question and answer period. Ellen Falvo. He's going to answer the queries or questions. And 9:15 to 9:30, wrap up by Principal Riddell. So technically, if you look at the agenda, it is very clear and concise. What is going to happen? Who is going to do what? Everything is very transparent. Now, roles and responsibilities. Furthermore, setting up by Jenny Jacobi, minutes by Elena Flora. What is minutes? Who will take the minutes of the meeting? यहाँ पर क्या लिखा हुआ है? नाम किसका लिखा हुआ है?
Elena Flora.
Flora will write the minutes of the meeting. Paperwork will be done by Elena Flora also. And refreshments, she's going to decide Ellen Falvo. And snacks will be taken care of by
Majma.
Like for example, when you make an agenda for Teachers Day, you give others also the responsibility. Who will take care of snacks? Who will take care of cultural program? बनाया था ऐसा क्या तुम लोग? बनाया था ऐसा? नहीं ना? Okay. अगली बार से ध्यान रखिएगा. Roles and responsibilities, किसको क्या काम दिया गया? Decoration, cultural activities, presentation, whatever. Now, additional information on agenda. What else you need to know? Creation and timely circulation of an agenda gives participant an opportunity to prepare. सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था? Making an agenda, you already made the agenda. तो उसके बाद का पहला एक्टिविटी क्या होता है? बताइए. लेके बैठ जाएंगे हम. क्या करेंगे हम? क्या? सर्क्यूलेट करेंगे. क्रिएशन एंड टाइमली सर्कुलेशन. मतलब आप लेके अपने फाइल में बैठे हुए हैं और कल की मीटिंग है और किसी को नहीं पता है, बस जो सेक्रेटरी बनाया है उसको पता है. Maybe he or she forgot. So after creating an agenda, you have to timely circulate it.
Distribute this agenda.
Because it gives the participants enough time to think, to prepare, to do the homework for the meeting. It enables participants to give the chairman feedback about the substance of the meeting and to make changes of the agenda as necessary. Sometimes the agenda can be changed also. But yes, if it is done beforehand, only then. To include topics of special concern. Deviation from the agenda often results in poorly focused outcomes in terms of follow-up. क्या मतलब होता है डेविएशन? मतलब एजेंडा में जो बात नहीं है उसको डिस्कस होना. कोई अगर बहस छिड़ गई तो टाइम कंज्यूम करता है और जो कि बात करते करते हो सकता है डेविएट हो जाते हैं लोग और फिर दूसरे मुद्दे पे बात शुरू हो जाती है और जिसके लिए एजेंडा कॉल किया गया है वो बात ही नहीं हो पाती. तो कोशिश ये करनी होती है जो एजेंडा में जो आइटम डिस्कस करने के हैं बस उन्हीं को डिस्कस करना है, डेविएट नहीं करना अपने टॉपिक से. अदरवाइज इट विल बी the outcome will be poor. The main objective will be not met. So नहीं तो क्या होगा, फॉलो अप अच्छा नहीं होगा, फीडबैक सही नहीं होगा and it's going to be a waste of time. So avoid deviation from the topic. The following items should appear on a typical broad meeting agenda. The participants of the meeting. सबसे पहले उसके बाद क्या है? Try to include the participants' names. The items for discussion an action to be taken to accomplish a named purpose. Third, the discussion time anticipated for each item. Meeting date, time and location, and preparation required for meeting to include the review of documentation, data, prior meeting minutes. So all paperwork has to be done and completed, not only done, completed, distributed. Otherwise, the main function of the agenda will crash. The first steps for preparing a board meeting agenda. Determining the goal. There has to be a goal, there has to be an objective why this meeting is held. Work in conjunction with attendees to determine the purpose of this meeting. For example, status, reporting, problem solving, etc. Before you write on the agenda, एक discussion होना चाहिए attendees के साथ भी. A discussion with the attendees will help you to make a proper agenda. Number 2. Identify agenda item for the meeting. Determine agenda item and related goals. The respective attendee is responsible for leading each particular agenda item and the timing for discussion. Third is organize the agenda. Identify high priority item. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है वो सबसे पहले. High priority items or those that require lengthy discussion and position them at the top of the agenda. The inferior items at the bottom. मतलब जो सबसे ज़रूरी है और जो time consuming है वो सबसे पहले उसको deal किया जाता है. Number 4, give advance direction. Inform attendees of the day if they are required to speak in relation to any agenda item or to bring anything with them to the meeting in advance of dispatching the agenda. In a nutshell, keep your attendees informed by conform to the agenda, begin and end the meeting on time and observe time allocation. Consider including a round robin discussion after all agenda items have been addressed, with 5 minutes allocated per person to move other relevant issues and note issues to be raised and which can arise to be discussed on at subsequent meetings. In a nutshell, everybody should be given an opportunity to speak after the meeting is over. Give 5 minutes to each person so that they can come out with any question which can arise in their minds. So there are 5 points, and now what is the importance of agenda? If I ask you what is the importance of agenda, what will you write? Somebody read?
The importance of agenda. The agenda is an imperative feature of and the basis for any meeting. It is structured.
Imperative.
Imperative.
Vital, important.
Okay. It structures both the content of the meeting papers and the progress of the meeting itself. Meetings without firm direction are unlikely to be constructive, leading to few tangible or effective results. In addition, meeting participants may become disengaged if a meeting strays from the relevant topics, setting a poor precedent for future meetings and possible discouraging future attendance.
What do you mean by tangible?
Tangible means the things which we can touch.
Something which is not impossible, something which can happen.
Okay.
Something which is concrete. Yeah. So Khushi, what did you understand? What is the importance of agenda?
Importance of agenda means there are important and relevant features of agenda is that meeting is getting in progress when we prepare agenda before 3 years of the meeting, and it will be get our meeting organized manner. It will save our time if we prepare agenda and if we prepare our topic prior the meeting is holding on.
So now you get the complete layout. You can only fill in the dates. Everything is already done. Such format also is there. The conference agenda, date. Here you can write any name of whatever you want to do. Date, include the name, event, include the event, time. So everything is now possible. Right? So now we come to minutes of the meeting. So we don't have much time today. But again, what do you understand by minutes of the meeting? And who writes the agenda? The same person will write the minutes of the meeting. Yes. So what do you understand by minutes of the meeting? प्रोटोकॉल तो ठीक है, लेकिन आप क्या समझते हैं? Whatever is happening in the meeting will be the important points will be taken down by the secretary. क्या हुआ, कितने बजे मीटिंग स्टार्ट हुआ, कौन कौन आए, कौन कौन नहीं आए, क्या डिस्कस हुआ, क्या क्या क्वेश्चन अराइज हुआ, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुआ, क्या क्या सॉल्यूशंस आया, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स था, किसने क्या सॉल्यूशन दिया, किसने क्या प्रॉब्लम का रेज किया, कितने वोट्स अगेंस्ट में रहे, कितने वोट्स फॉर में रहे. All these whatever things that have, whatever is discussed in the meeting will be taken down by the secretary, as it is called the minutes of the meeting. मिनट का मतलब ये नहीं कि मिनट टू मिनट सब कुछ बता दिया जाए, नहीं. Important things are to be noted, and unimportant, irrelevant things are not to be noted, which is called the minutes of the meeting. We'll discuss this in the next class. So minutes are also called as protocols, informally notes. टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं तो आप नोट्स लिखते हैं. मीटिंग में क्या हो रहा है तो मिनट टेकर क्या करता है, वो भी नोट करते रहते हैं. नोट टेकिंग में आप जानते हैं कि दे आर इम्पोर्टेंट एंड अनइम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट्स. Even they will write down only the important factors, and the unimportant features will be left. So they typically describe the events of the meeting, starting with a list of attendees. How many people were there? How many people were absent? A statement of the issues considered by the participants and related responses of the decision. What was the decision taken? What was the issue? What was the responses? Like who said what? Will be noted in the minutes of the meeting. We'll do this in the next class.